Hello, uh, welcome to this command line basics tutorial for Windows operating systems. Basically, command line programmatically helps you move through your computer's directories. So in this tutorial, you can see the list of things we're going to cover. I'm going to show you how to find your current directory. Very simple, easy. You will know how, after this tutorial, you will know how to list all the files in a given directory and how you can change your directory and how you can clear command line screen. Very simple, very easy. This is just the basics of command line. So just let me go to my computer. You can see here, type here to search. Click on there, type in CMD and hit enter. The command prompt will pop out. You can see here. So there is another way, two more ways to do this. So if you don't want to type in CMD and hit enter, you can just type in CMD and scroll up to this place. You can see command prompt. Just click on that. It will pop out as well. There is another way. In case you typed in CMD and you did not see this command prompt up here, you can just type it in full. Command prompt, and that is it. You can now see it up here. Just click on that. This will pop out as well. So here we are. So let's get to the job. So if you want to know your current directory, where you are on your computer, just type in cd and hit enter. That will show you your current directory. You can see we are here. This folder C, user. Then in order to list all the files and folders in this current directory, what you have to do is to type in dir and hit enter. You can see all the files and directories, all the files and folders on this directory. You can see documents, you can see downloads, you can see desktop. So if you want to move to another directory, let's say to desktop, for example, what we have to do is to type in cd space, then type in desktop, and hit enter. Now you can see we are in this directory right now. To confirm, cd, hit enter, yes. So to see all the files and folders on desktop, what you have to do is to type in dir. You can see all the files. So let's assume we want to get a file from this directory. Let's say cd document. Let's say cd documents. You can see there is no file or folder called documents on this directory. So let's type another one, cd space java underscore tutorial, and we found a file or a folder actually on that directory. So let's assume we want to move back a directory, like move back to desktop or back to user. What you have to do is to type in cd space dot or period, cd space dot dot and hit enter, that will take us back a directory back. That means desktop. We want to go back to user, cd space dot dot and hit enter. So that is how we do it. So what about if you want to move to another directory? There is no point typing, let's say, to desktop again, for example. Now there is no point typing the whole layouts in that word like desktop. You don't have to do cd desktop. What you can do here, another way to do this, what you can do here is just to type in the first letter of the file or folder you are looking for, or the directory you want to move to. So like, let's say letter D, and then hit on the tab button on your keyboard, the tab, T-A-B. Hit here, you can see, keep on hitting. This will be taking you to different, files and directories. So let's say we get to desktop, for example. You hit enter. Here we go. We are in this directory. So we have covered how to find your current directory by using cd and enter. How to list all the files and folders in your directory by typing in dir and hit enter. How you can change your directory by using cd, maybe a directory back by using cd space dot dot will take you a directory back. Then, and how you can clear your command line, just type in cls, that will clear your command prompt. That is it. So please, if you find this video helpful in any way, I know that sometimes we might not be that satisfied with a given tutorial, but if you find this video helpful, let it be 20% helpful, 30%, 40%. The only thank you I need from you, please, I'm begging, please, is just click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. I will be uploading more videos on anything related to tech, and equally videos on Java tutorials and Python tutorials as well. Thank you and God bless.